Hello, party people. It is Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. We are here finishing up our morning coffee doings. So on the morning coffee, we are doing Unseen and Unbothered. So this is from the what is it today? 25th? Yeah, July 25th, where we had started our earrings here. So if you want to see the beginning of this, you can jump over into the morning coffee and see it live, but I'm going to finish up the rest here. And this one is drying. So here we go. These guys here, we sold on Thunderhorse Descendant. They look like this. These are the cones. You just unfolded the cones. And also the second piece of filigree is this one, which we just flattened. And now I'm just making up the rest of the dangles. I am using 24 gauge wire, and I'm just going to move this over here for the moment. And I am attaching these with jump rings, which you don't have to do, but that's what I'm doing. Okie dokie. Tuck that in. And for these ones, I'm just putting one bead. I already have my, the end of my charms ready to go. So we gotta make a few of these. And then I still have to glue that side together. We just started working on it because this side was drying and I didn't want to mess around with it at the moment. Right. These little Chinese crystals, like these rice beads, are super cute. I really like them a lot. Alrighty. So then we just have to put these together like so. So I'm using, to connect, I'm using these 6mm red bronze ovals. And this 4mm round to connect to the filigree. I'm just gonna build it up here. And then connect it on. So these are post earrings, which we thought was kind of fun. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. And I'm only putting 3 dangles on each side, just because I thought that was enough. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to wind up 2 more for the other side. And then I'll show you how I'm going to glue it together. Could make a lot of earrings with these, if that's all I use these little rice beads for. Tuck this little tail in. Okay, one more. I should probably put a bead on there. Alrighty. And then this guy go right here. And here is what the finished one looks like. Pretty cool. So I still have to glue this one into place. This one has already been glued. It is drying. Gotta clean it up a little bit. I'll have to clean this off a little bit. I think that one's pretty good. So let me show you how I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you them finished. So I just have this sticking on with a back. So this all comes apart. And we're gonna get out our E6000. I'm gonna put a little smidge here. And some in the middle of the flower. And I am going to take my vintage dowel and I'm going to just clear the hole out a little bit. So when I stick the post through, it's not completely covered in glue. And then I'm just going to stick that through there. And then stick this through here. And I'm going to line them up so that they're the same on the top. And there's going to be a little bit of excess glue, but I'll be able to get that off here. I'll wait for it to dry a little bit and then I'll deal with that. Okay, and then also on the back I have to put a little bit. To hold this in place. Grab my paintbrush. Okay. Now Now I'm going to let that dry up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to get this one cleaned up a little bit. I'm just going to use a little bit of my tweezer and getting off some of the little excess glue, and then I'll finish this one up and I'll come back and let you take a look at it. Okay, party people, here we are with the conclusion of the video. Now this one is still drying and I haven't completely cleaned up the top of it, but I just wanted to give you a little look-see at what we got. So here we go, the back, little post earring. So these are not completely done drying because we should let our E6000 set. I usually let mine set for at least a day. So I will put this one back in the clamp. I just wanted to show you how they look. So I am very happy with them. They were fun to make. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, do all the things. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.